Forget the A, we are starting inside the app in a moment. Here's the plan: 7 short chapters, the interface, the prompt formula that fixes 90% of bad answers, files and photos, image generation, custom GPTs and projects, voice and the new Atlas browser, and a business playbook you can run tomorrow. I use this thing daily, so you're getting opinions, not a brochure. This is ChatGPT in mid-2026, and I'm typing a real prompt, a reply to an annoyed customer with a voucher. 10 seconds of typing, 1 click, done. In the next 10 minutes, I'll walk you through every feature that actually matters and skip everything that doesn't. Chapter 1. The interface, 90 seconds, and you'll know the entire app. Almost everything lies in this left sidebar. New chat starts a fresh conversation, and I rule is 1 topic per chat because mixing tasks confuses the model and buries your history. Below that, every past chat searchable. Then projects, which get their own chapter shortly. The rest of the screen is just the conversation. That's honestly the whole map. 1 control actually matters, the model picker. As of mid-2026, you'll see GPT 5.2, the flagship, a mini model for quick everyday stuff, and O-series reasoning models that think step by step on hard problems. Honestly, I leave it on the flagship and forget this menu exists. Switch to reasoning only when the question is genuinely tricky. Quick money note: the free tier is genuinely usable, same app, tighter limits. Plus runs around $20 a month and unlocks more usage, better models, and image generation headroom. There's also a pro tier near $200 a month. Honestly, skip that one unless the tool is your whole job. Start free, upgrade when the limits start costing you time. Chapter 2. The prompt formula. The highest value 90 seconds in this whole video. Every strong prompt has 4 parts. Role: you're a marketing expert. Task: write 3 Instagram captions. Context: my cafe, families in Sharjah, weekend brunch offer. Format: under 30 words each with hashtags. Role, task, context, format. Miss the context and you get generic mush. That one line is where most people lose the plot. Same request, 2 prompts. Write a caption gets you something any business on earth could post. The 4-part version gets you something only your cafe would post. The model didn't get smarter between those 2, you just stopped making it guess. 10 extra seconds of typing, most of the value. Here it is typed out for real. Role, task, context, format, 3 sentences total. And 1 habit that beats any template. After the answer arrives, keep talking. Shorter. Fade. Make option 2 Arabic. Iterating on a decent answer is faster than hunting for the perfect prompt every single time. And this is what the formula buys you. Captions that sound like your cafe, not like a stock photo. Notice it gave options because I asked for options. The output quality is a mirror, vague in, vague out. Specific in, usable out. Next, the feature I lean on more than any other. Chapter 3. Files, photos, and PDFs, where ChatGPT quietly replaces hours of reading. Attach a file with the plus button and ask real questions. Here I've dropped in a supplier contract and asked for the 3 riskiest clauses told bluntly. Seconds later, an auto-renewal trap, a compounding late fee, an exclusivity clause. What surprised me most in my own tests was messy spreadsheets. It finds trends I'd missed staring at the same sheet for an hour. It reads more than PDFs. Spreadsheets, slide decks, exported chat logs, and photos, it can genuinely see them. Snap a competitor's menu and ask how your prices compare. Screenshot an error and ask what it means. My rough rule: if it fits in an attachment, it's fair game for a question. Next up, it doesn't just read pictures, it can make them. Chapter 4. Images made and edited right inside the chat. Type what you want, get an image back, posters, product shots, mock-ups, logo drafts. The newer image models handle text on the image far better than the old days, though in my tests I still proofread every word it draws. Best part? You edit by talking. Make the red deeper. Move the price up. No design software involved. Where this earns its keep for a small business, offer posters, story graphics, product mock-ups before you commit to stock, quick logo directions to react to. It won't replace a designer for brand work, but for the Tuesday afternoon we need a poster today problem, it's easily good enough and it's already inside the chat. Chapter 5. Custom GPTs and Projects, how you stop re-explaining your business every chat. A project is a folder with memory. Upload your menu, price list, and brand voice once. Add instructions like always write in British English, and every chat inside starts pre-trained. Custom GPTs go one step further. A saved assistant with its own rules that you can share, so your staff use your assistant, not a blank one. Which one? My take, start with a project for yourself, 10 minutes of setup, and it pays off daily. Build a custom GPT when other people need the same assistant, staff answering customers, a partner drafting quotes. Either way, the win is identical. Stop introducing your business to the model every morning. Chapter 6. Voice, mobile, and the Atlas browser, ChatGPT outside the chat box. The mobile app syncs everything, same chats, same projects. Voice mode is the sleeper feature, a real spoken conversation, hands-free. I use it to think out loud in the car, and by the time I park, the plan is already written down in the chat. Point the camera at anything, a document, a shelf, a form, and just ask. Atlas is OpenAI's own web browser with ChatGPT wired into every tab. Highlight anything and ask about it. Summarize the page you're on, and agent mode can even click through simple tasks for you. As of mid-2026, it's still rolling out across platforms, so check availability, but it's a clear signal of where this is heading. Final chapter. The business playbook. What to actually run this on, starting tomorrow. Here's how this earns its keep daily. Mornings, draft the replies and captions you'd otherwise put off. After meetings, paste messy notes. Get a clean action list with owners. Before you sign anything, summarize it and ask what's risky. And at month end, upload the numbers and ask why profit moved. None of this is glamorous, that's exactly why it works. Quick recap, because you now know more than most paying users. The interface and the one menu that matters. The 4-part prompt formula. Feeding it files and photos. Generating images by talking. Custom GPTs and projects so it knows your business. Voice, mobile, and Atlas. And a playbook to run tomorrow morning. Your assignment is one real task. Open ChatGPT today and hand it something from your actual week. A reply, a contract, a spreadsheet. That's how this sticks. If this saved you time, subscribe. I publish one practical guide like this every week. And if you want this kind of intelligence answering your customers on WhatsApp, that is what we build at Remarkably. See you in the next one.